This episode was previously recorded in front of an imaginary studio audience.
Hey, wow, man, that's a nice Santa hat. I wonder what it's doing here. Man, look at that. Look at that fur trim and that big old ball. And man, that red matches my rat pink shirt. Man, I could use that for my Christmas special. Oh well. Tobias won't miss it.
Time for fun, laugh, Friday!
All you nine-jackers out there, your old pal Skip DeSheau coming back at you again. And guess what we got today? We got our Christmas special. That's right. We're all set up for Christmas. Got my ukulele. Oh, man. I probably should have strung it in something other than... Yeah. Probably should have strung it with something other than 20-pound fishing line, so ain't going to be able to use my ukulele. Besides, I'm going to need my hands free here. We got a great one for you going on here. We got a great new original Christmas song. If you think Blade Rap was good, just wait till you hear this one now. Alright? What do we need to do? Oh, we're all set up. I guess I need to just sing. We're going to do this in the key of Skip, alright? Alright, and a 1, and a 2, and a... No, I'm not going to count to 12. I don't care if there's 12 knives in Christmas. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3. On the... I really just wrote this song about 5 minutes ago, so you know, it's going to be a masterpiece. I know that, but I don't have all the lyrics down quite right, and you know, the lighting down here is just horrible, so I can't make out most of what I wrote, but we'll get this straightened out anyway. All right. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3. On the first fun knife of Christmas, I went and bought myself a push dagger in a leather sheath. On the second fun knife of Christmas, I went and bought myself 2 Swiss Army knives and a push dagger in a leather sheath. On the third fun knife of Christmas, I went and bought myself 3 switchblades, 2 Swiss Army knives, and a push dagger in a leather sheath. On the fourth fun knife of Christmas, I went and bought myself 4 survival knives, 2 Swiss Army knives, 3 switchblades. I got them out of order. Do I need to start over? And a push dagger in a leather sheath. On the fifth fun knife of Christmas, I went and bought myself 5 large toothpicks, 4 survival knives, 3 switchblades, 2 Swiss Army knives, and a push dagger in a leather sheath. Okay, where am I at? Alright, 6. On the sixth fun knife of Christmas, I went and bought myself 6 bayonets fixing, 5 large fish knives, 5 large toothpicks, 4 survival knives, 3 switchblades, 2 Swiss Army knives, and a push dagger in a leather sheath. This ain't as easy as you think, people. On the 7th, on the 7th fun knife of Christmas, I went and bought myself 7 marlin spiking, 6 bayonets fixing, 5 large toothpicks. This is where you can always take a pause because, you know, doing 5 large toothpicks. That's where you recapture what you're going on in your mind so you can finish off the song. 4 survival knives, 3 switchblades, 2 Swiss Army knives, and push dagger in a leather sheath. Should probably just done 7 songs of Christmas or something like that. Alright, where are we at? 8. 8, alright. On the 8th fun night of Christmas, I went and bought myself 8 hobos tramping, 6 marlins spiking, 5 bayonets fixing. I'm counting wrong. Now I gotta start all over. Well, not from all the way to the beginning. We'll start at 8. Alright, where are we at? Are we at 8 or are we at 7? 8. Alright. On the 8th fun night of Christmas, I went and bought myself 8 hobos tramping, 7 marlins spiking, 6 bayonets fixing, 5 large toothpicks, 4 survival knives, 3 switchblades, 2 Swiss Army knives, and a push dagger in a leather sheath. On the 9th fun night of Christmas, I went and bought myself 9 fish knives fishing, 8 hobo. Guess who's coming? Tobias is coming. All right on. Hey, Skip. Oh man, I'm sorry. I didn't know you were recording. Yeah, no sweat, my brother. What's up? Man, have you seen my Santa hat? Santa hat? Yeah, you know, my Santa hat. Red hat, white fur, white ball hangs over to the side. Yeah, bro, I know what you mean, but why would your Santa hat be here? Well, I was over here the other day, man, and I was like recording my Christmas show, and I think I left my Santa hat here, man. I gotta find it. This Christmas is only 2 days away. Oh, wow, man, that hat sounds really important to you. Yeah, I need it, man. I need the hat so I can give out the presents. Man, that hat belonged to my dad. I need to find that hat. Oh, man. Dang, bro, that's a real bummer. I tell you what, as soon as I'm finished filming, I'll tear this place apart looking for your Santa hat. I swear I'll find it for you, one way or another. Would you do that, Skip? That would be great. That would be my Christmas present from you. Thank you, man. If you could just do that, man. I really need to find that hat. Man, do I need that hat. All right, now, technically, your old pal Skip here did not lie to him. I just didn't tell the quite honest truth. I did find his hat, and I just found it before he asked about it. So I'll find it down here and I'll get it back to him. But in the meantime, I gotta finish this song here. So let me, oh wait, yeah. That goes here. Come on, hat, get back on there. Are you ready here? All right. I think we're on 9. Were we on 9? I think we're on 9. All right. On the 9th fun night of Christmas, I went and bought myself 9 knives of fishing, 8 hobos tramping, 7 marlins spiking, 6 bayonets fixing, 5 large toothpicks, 4 survival knives, 3 switchblades, 2 Swiss Army knives, and a push dagger in a leather sheath. On the 10th fun night of Christmas, I went and bought myself 9 knives of hunting. On the 10th fun night of Christmas, I went and bought myself 10 knives of hunting, 9 knives of fishing, 8 hobos tramping, 7 marlins spiking, 6 bayonets fixing, 5 large toothpicks, 4 survival knives, 3 switchblades, 2 Swiss Army knives, and a push dagger in a leather sheath. On the 11th fun knife of Christmas, I went and bought myself 11 stilettos stabbing, 10 knives of hunting, 5 knives of fishing, 8 hobos tramping, 7 spikes of marlining, 6 bayonets fixing, 5 large toothpicks, 4 survival knives, and this one here is really cool because it opens up and you can get something to drink out of it. Yeah, buddy, need that. 3 switchblades, 2 Swiss Army knives, and a push dagger in a leather sheath. Oh man, are we up to 12 finally? I think we're at 12. 12, alright. Ready? Okay, you still with me? We're ready for number 12. The big one. On the 12th fun knife of Christmas, I went and bought myself 12 knives of scouting. Ba-dum-bum-bum-bum-bum. 11 stilettos stabbing. 10 knives of hunting. 9 knives of fishing. 8 hobos tramping. 7 marlins spiking. 6 bayonets fixing. I think I got gypped on this one. 5 large toothpicks. 4 survival knives. 3 switchblades. 2 Swiss Army knives. And a push dagger in a leather sheath. Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good knife. See you at the Volcano Club. Skip out.
Skip the Show presents the 12 Fun Knives of Christmas. On the first fun knife of Christmas, old Santa brought to me a push dagger in a leather sheath. On the second fun knife of Christmas, I somehow came upon 2 Swiss Army knives and a push dagger in a leather sheath. On the third fun knife of Christmas, I went and bought myself 3 switchblades, 2 Swiss Army knives, and a push dagger in a leather sheath. On the fourth fun knife of Christmas, I went and bought myself 4 survival knives, 3 switchblades, 2 Swiss Army knives, and a push dagger in a leather sheath.
And you know what, bro? On the fifth fun knife for Christmas, I went and bought myself 5 large toothpicks, 4 survival knives, 3 switchblade, 2 Swiss Army knives, and another push dagger in a leather sheath. Now for the sixth fun knife of Christmas, old Santa brought to me 6 bayonets fixing,
5 large toothpicks, 4 survival knives, 3 switchblades, 2 Swiss Army knives, and a push dagger and its leather sheath.
On the seventh fun knife of Christmas, old Santa brought to me 7 knives for sailing, 6 bayonets of fixing,
5 large toothpicks, 4 Rambo knives, 3 switchblades, 2 Swiss Army knives,
and yep, you guessed it, a push dagger in another leather sheath. And on that 8th fun knife of Christmas, that jolly man brought to me
8 hobos tramping, 7 knives for sailing, 6 bayonets poking, 5 ginormous toothpicks, 4 survival knives, 3 switchblades, 2 Swiss Army knives, and a push dagger with a leather sheath. It's Damascus with an olive wood handle.
And on the 9th fun knife of Christmas, old Santa brought to me 9 fun knives for fishing, 8 hobos for the campfire, 7 knives for boating, 6 bayonets attacking,
5 El Grande toothpicks, 4 jet pilot knives,
3 flickers,
2 Swiss Army knives,
and would you believe it? Another push dagger in a leather sheath. On the 10th fun knife of Christmas, old Santa brought to me
10 knives for hunting, 9 fun knives for fishing, 8 hobos a tramping, 7 yachters sailing, 6 bayonets fighting, 5 large toothpicks, 4 Rambo knives, 3 switchblades, 2 Swiss Army knives, and a push dagger in a sheath of leather.
Now on the 11th fun knife of Christmas, boys and girls, old Santa brought to me 11 stilettos stabbing, 10 fun knives for hunting, 1 of them hunts mushrooms, 9 cool knives for fishing,
8 hobos a tramping, 7 knives a sailing, 6 bayonets fixing, 5 very large toothpicks, 4 survival knives, 3 switchblades, 2 Swiss Army knives, and a push dagger in its very own leather sheath.
And on that 12th fun night for Christmas, you didn't think Santa would forget me, did you? On that 12th fun night for Christmas, old Santa came through with 12 scout knives scouting.
11 stilettos stabbing, 10 hunters skinning, 9 fish knives a filleting, 8 hobos a wondering, 7 sailing knives exploring, 6 bayonets attacking, 5 large toothpicks, 4 jet pilot knives, 3 switchblade, 2 Swiss Army knives, and a push dagger in a leather sheath.
All right. You knife chatters are all great. Thank you very much. Thank you all. Thank you very much. Merry Christmas to all and to all a good night. All right. Thank you. Don't forget to tip your waitress on the way out. Yeah, that's right. It's time to go, boys and girls. You don't have to go home, but you can't stay here. Thank you. Thanks again. Merry Christmas.